look like question number 12 only. Similar type of question, but in the comparison of question number 12, this is little bit more simple. Okay, information is this: we have 45% of 1125 liters of a solution. We have to add acid to this solution in such a way that the solution is contain more than 25% acid and less than 30% acid. So the solution should be remain between 25% and 30%, that you can understand. Alright, let us see the solution. Once again, I will advise you to keep your textbook open. Okay, look at the last line. What you have to find out? That is your supposition. Suppose X liter of water is to be added to that mixture. Alright, so we have total mixture will be 1125 liter plus X you are adding. So this will be the total mixture. Now 45% of mixture is what? We have 125 plus X. Now condition is this: when we are taking 45% of the mixture, that is 1125 into 45 upon 100, as I explained in the previous question also, percentage means 45 upon 100. It should be between 25 and 30. Between 25 and 30. Alright? Now this is a total 25 plus X, that X you are adding. But how you have to add? 1125 plus X. How much you are adding? So you are adding 25%. Alright? So it should be more than 25%. So 25%. And this total mixture will not change. And it should be less than 30%. So 30 upon 100. Mixture is same only 1125 plus X. Now you have to find out X. But this time the X is on left hand side as well as on right hand side. So how to calculate? Actually, to explain you this part, purposely I am taking this question. What I will do is, I will calculate left hand side separately and right hand side separately. Alright, you can see here I am just converting by hand. So first 25 upon 100, since it is percentage, 1125 plus X, because you are adding X liter of water, less than total mixture 1125 upon 100, 45. Simplify. Now that I am not explaining you that cancellation. So 1125 plus X less than 2025 and X will be less than 900. So from first equation I would like to say, from first equation I am getting answer number 1. Similarly from the second one, that 30%, you will get answer number 2. That is now I am putting it directly. Alright, simplified, you will get 2.5 less than X. Now combine equation 1 and 2 and that is the answer. Alright, so not very difficult. If you know a little bit of simplification, then your sum is over.